So this is 2 huge boxes and 3 small boxes. And my FedEx guy said there was supposed to be a 6th and there wasn't today. So I'm guessing it's just some more shelves. It's basically, I'll put a picture up and a link. It's basically 2 big racks. One of them was like an amp rack. One of them was a pedal rack / amp rack. And then there's some amp shelves that go in the middle, but you can configure this thing like kind of however you want. So I still have yet to decide how I'm going to configure mine. But I'll figure it out. So, but anyways, just so you're aware, giant boxes. And let me loop around. I'll show you what's in those boxes. So far, this is just one of the things because there's another one down here. But that's kind of one of the racks. And then here's also all the shelvings that came in the smaller boxes. And it's going to be a lot of fun to build this whole thing. But had I seen the size of these boxes and stuff ahead of time, I might have passed. So anyways, I'm going to get to building and I'll kind of show you along the way what happens. But I'm going to start by building this rack first and go from there. But it looks like it's pretty simple. Just some 4mm screws. Then I'm going to go out and get my screw gun and put a bit on it and just use that to hopefully do a good job putting it all in. But one thing I'll point out on this is all this wood looks super high quality. It's all pressed, obviously, but it looks like skateboard decks when you ply the wood together and you pressure treat it and you pressure put it together. So it looks like that's going to be a winner for sure. And everything on them is all trimmed nicely and everything looks drilled. So it looks like it's super high quality. So I guess we're going to find out as I put it together. Kind of clutter in here right now, unfortunately. Usually it's nice and clean on the floors in here, but there's been a lot of clutter lately trying to figure out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. But more than likely I'm going to get rid of my Mark 525 since I have a Mark 590. And then I just got the Mark 7 on a stupid amazing deal, like $1,500 off. So don't even ask how I got it that cheap, but I decided to take it home. And when it showed up, I thought it would be slightly dented or damaged. And it actually just showed up with some dog hair on it and some white stuff on the grill, which cleaned up right away. But more than likely, I'll probably be getting rid of my PT15IR anyways. But the goal is to get my dual rec somehow in this setup, along with my other amps, and get them all nicely done. And then, of course, put my pedals up. And then I also have, up above here, I also have multiple pedal boards that I built that I want to get on that rack. So let's hope and pray that this will all work out. Quick little update. I'm still unboxing stuff, and since it's all these boxes, I was losing my mind because I couldn't find a piece to build this. And it was in the other box. So I'm finding that some pieces that are supposed to go with this rack were in this box and vice versa. So supposedly there's a missing box. I'm hoping it's just some shelves at this point, which it looks like it might be. So I'm gonna have to keep unwrapping all this stuff till we find all the pieces we're looking for, because I just put this base piece together at the bottom, and then I realized, well, one side's supposed to be short, one's supposed to be tall. But the hardware is pretty nice so far, and it's all going in really smooth. So I'm gonna keep at it, and then we're gonna get that built, and we're gonna get the bottom built, and we're gonna get the top built, and then I'll decide what I'm doing about amps and shelves and all that kind of stuff. So on to the next. This is the current state. I have both of that built, both of this one built, and some shelves built. Now it's just a matter of figuring out where everything goes for all the pedal shelves and everything like that, and how I'm gonna do it. But yep, it's gonna be a long process figuring this one out. I'm exhausted, but the home of tone is coming together. So slowly but surely, getting everything racked up, done. Had to take the Bose bar off of my TV to make it fit, so I'm gonna have to raise the TV up another couple inches, but now I can't hang a guitar on that wall. So it's gonna look cool though, but I don't know if I'm 100% happy with it yet. So I'm gonna put some more pedal racks right here, or pedal board racks. I got some pedal boards I'd like to put up there, and maybe my Quad Cortex up here, some more pedals. We'll see how it goes, but I'm beat. It's been a minute since I did a little update because I've been busy working on this thing still, but I wanted to keep the video going about it. So pretty much I've got this side almost done. I'm finishing up the last couple shelves because I need to get some more pedal room. And like I said, up here, I've got pedal boards that need to go in there too because I just want to be able to start using them. So anyways, I've got almost all worked out. I'm going to add another shelf over here still, maybe 2. And then, yeah, we should be probably pretty good at that point. And I should have all this back together. And then yesterday I sold my Mark V 25. So I kept the cab though. So we'll see what amp we're going to go with on that one. Probably something I don't have yet. That's Mesa. But anyways, it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. And I'll spin you around and show you another angle of it. And as you can see, it's kind of coming together. But we still got to figure out some pieces of the puzzle. But now it finally just feels like it's finally starting to come together. But anyways, we're going to keep at it. All right, quick tip with these. This whole thing goes together with pretty much one screw size, or actually it is one screw size. The only thing different would be the wall anchors if you're going to use them. So these are these ingenious little things they give you and they're angled here too, so you can line up your shelves, hold the shelves. It's like, just these little things make it so you can do it yourself. And I like to get the screws in there about halfway, line up the other side, and put those ones in about halfway, make sure it's all lined up, and then go full bore. But if you don't have a drill with the socket, now they do give you the bit in the kit if you have like a drill, but I would recommend maybe something with a socket like this. And you don't want to go too tight on the torque, so I have the torque back down to where it's good, where it's not indenting the wood at all whatsoever. But just a quick tip, don't do this project unless you got one of these. And make sure you're using these, and it'll make your life a lot easier when doing this. So I've got it pretty much done and all together. If I'm going to do it, I got to get my carpet moved back and still some more organizing, but the racks are set up the way I want them. I'm thinking I might actually need another rack over on this side for just pedals. I think they sell like a half rack thing, so I may do that. But the only thing I'm going to say that I don't like about this is that if I want to double up the pedals in here, like, sure, you can double up the pedals in here, but like, you know, you can't see them. So I could have probably tilted these down maybe one more level, these shelves one more level, and then maybe tilt down, maybe show the pedals more. I might have to mess with that. But as it sits right now, I wanted to be able to see them all. So I'm only using like one row, except for like over here, I got a couple in the back. But it's like, if I can't see them, how am I supposed to pick one off a wall and want to use them? And then also, I think I could still move that pedal board out of there, down in front here or something. And then I think I got a pedal board that can go in there. Here I'm doing cables and stuff like that. Here's some more pedals and some books. And I still got to get the TV moved up. And I'm going to get rid of these shelves, but I could add pedals to that to maybe clear up some more room. But the fact of the matter still remains is I still have a bunch of pedals over here, and I have maybe 1 or 2 over there, and excuse the mess. But yeah, the rack's pretty much where I want it. Just a matter. Hey guys, it's me from the future here, and I just wanted to close out and say thanks for watching the video, and hopefully you got something out of this. And I'm pretty happy with the way the project came out, and now just some tweaking still left to do, but very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope this helps you make a decision in whether or not you want to pick one of these up. Anyways, have a good one, and I'm happy to answer any questions in the comments.